Kirby Avalir G10D vacuum cleaner with tool attachments, shampooer and warranty. Self-propelled LED headlight, hyper micron allergen filtration, toe touch height control, belt change indicator. This particular vacuum cleaner is a flagship vacuum cleaner. Kirby, they're a very respected company when it comes to vacuum cleaners. They're literally the top when it comes to vacuum cleaners, specialized, concentrated manufacturers of vacuum cleaners. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a few pictures so you can get much more of a close-up of this beautiful machine. So I'll start from the top. So that's what the handle's like. If you look at that, very well designed. Another good thing I like about it is, you know, if you are working in an office environment and you want to keep a certain you've got a respected brand and you want to have that professional modern look at the same time, then this vacuum cleaner fits in really well. Just the whole concept of the vacuum cleaner and design of it is beautiful looking, but it performs extremely well as well based upon the reviews. So that's what it looks like. It's brilliant, isn't it? And if I go here, look, that's like a side shot of the machine. Let me start from the top again. Beautiful. Look at that. That's a sexy vacuum cleaner. Look at that. So this is really, this is top end machinery. It's not something that you purchase and you expect it to last for like a year or so until it goes, and then you throw it away and you go and buy another vacuum cleaner. It's not one of those kind of vacuum cleaners. This is sophisticated equipment that is very durable and it does an extremely fantastic job. It's important that you know this. This is Kirby we're dealing with, okay? So let me go to the accessories. These are the accessories here. Power on and off switch. Straight to the point, no faffing about. Let's have a look at it again, shall we? Look at that. Very well designed. Kirby Avalir G10D vacuum cleaner. So we've had a good look around it. Now what you need to do is find out more about the vacuum cleaner, shampooer as well. Simply click on the link in the description box. It will take you to the product and you can read all the excellent reviews as well. So do that now and have fun, and I'll see you on the other side.